If Lucidchart is not opening for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes you can try to get Lucidchart loading again on your browser. These steps are simple, safe, and often solve the problem without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is rule out browser extensions. Sometimes privacy tools, ad blockers, or other third-party extensions can interfere with Lucidchart scripts and stop the page from loading properly. A really easy way to test this is by opening a private or incognito window in your browser. Then go to the Lucidchart homepage and try opening your document again. If Lucidchart works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the issue. If that happens, go back to your normal browser window and disable your extensions one by one. After turning each one off, refresh Lucidchart and test it again. This helps you identify the exact extension that is conflicting with the site. Once you find it, you can leave it disabled while using Lucidchart or replace it with a different tool that does not interfere with the page. If the site still is not opening, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted temporary files can prevent Lucidchart from rendering correctly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In the Clear Browsing Data window, make sure you select cookies and other site data, plus cached images and files. Set the time range to all time for the most complete reset, then click Clear Data. After that, fully close your browser and reopen it before trying Lucidchart again. Another common cause is a network or VPN block. Corporate firewalls, security tools, or VPNs can block the WebSockets and live connections Lucidchart needs to load the editor. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect from it and refresh the page. If that does not help, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or even a mobile hotspot. This is a great way to check whether your current network is stopping Lucidchart from opening. If you are still having trouble, the next fix is to toggle browser hardware acceleration. Sometimes this setting can create display issues with web apps like Lucidchart. In Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. Then, use the search bar and look for graphics acceleration. Turn off the option that says Use graphics acceleration when available. Once you do that, relaunch the browser completely and test Lucidchart again. This step is especially useful if the page loads partially, shows a blank canvas, freezes, or never finishes opening. Changing this browser-level setting can often solve rendering problems that happen even when Lucidchart itself is working fine. So to recap, start by checking extensions in incognito mode, then clear your cache and cookies, test your network or VPN, and finally disable hardware acceleration if needed. In many cases, one of these quick fixes will get Lucidchart opening again within minutes. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.